is gone. We never expecting.
Sulakshan Selvasingham's father chokes up thinking about his 28-year-old son, who worked as a tow truck driver before he was murdered 2 years ago. Were you concerned for your son's safety, given there was some kind of rivalry?
I told him, don't do that. This is a dangerous job.
On Tuesday, Selvasingham and his family sat in court as a teenager, who was only 16 at the time, admitted that on July 6, 2024, he lay in wait at a Scarborough gas station in a stolen Honda Civic with stolen plates, before Selvasingham pulled into a parking spot next to him driving a Mercedes and shot him 9 times, including once in the head. After pleading guilty to first-degree murder, the Crown read out an agreed statement of facts, which said Mr. Selvasingham's murder is connected to well-known violence in the tow truck industry. Influential adults connected to the tow truck industry recruited the teen to commit this offense. These adults used young persons, including the teen, by offering him a sum of money to carry out the murder of Mr. Selvasingham. Court heard the 18-year-old received instructions from an adult on how to go about killing Selvasingham and was further directed to record the murder. Last Wednesday, 2 15-year-olds pleaded guilty to accessory after the fact to the reckless discharge of a firearm, admitting that after the shooting, the 2 15-year-olds, along with a 16-year-old, drove in 2 cars to Uxbridge, discarded the stolen plates in a sewer drain before torching the stolen vehicle and fleeing.
Somebody paid the money for them to kill my son.
The 16-year-old also pleaded guilty to 13 other reckless firearm discharges over a 6-week period between May and July 2024 connected to the tow truck industry, including 2 shootings at the York Cinemas in Richmond Hill, a shooting at an elementary school, tow truck yards, and a cannabis dispensary. The facts state the same adults who recruited the 16-year-old to commit the murder also recruited him to commit the other shootings. The 2 15-year-olds dealt with last week also pleaded guilty to some of those firearm discharges, at times recording the shootings on their cell phones. The maximum sentence for first-degree murder under the Youth Criminal Justice Act is 10 years, with a maximum 6 years spent in custody. A date for sentencing has yet to be set. The family of Selvasingham tells me they want to see the YCJA scrapped. Catherine McDonald, Global News.